Hey guys, today is Monday, November 10th, 2025, and you all have probably been wondering, where have I been all this time? So, the truth is that I took a break from YouTube, okay? So, I took a break from watching YouTube all the time, and I did some work around the house, and I quit my other job, and what else? I just quit my other job. So, and I took a break from YouTube. So I am going to be uploading more things that will be coming this Christmas. I'm going to be doing a video about the Grinch, where the Grinch comes to our house and steals our Christmas stuff, as a Grinch does. I mean, who doesn't? So, and then I'm going to be doing a video of The Angry Man Destroys the Hardware Store on Puppet Pals, which will be coming today or tomorrow. I don't know which day, and I'll do some more vacuum tests, and I'll be getting a Shark PowerDetect clean and empty cordless vacuum this weekend from Best Buy, because it would be useful for my parents, and I think it would be really useful for them because it would auto empty the stuff, so when they need to use it again, it would be empty, because they're currently using our Dyson V11, which I'm going to move upstairs to where I am. And the reason why I'm doing it from Best Buy is because it's the best price. So anyways, I think that's pretty much it for this video. Please comment if you have any questions.